As one of the few fighters to beat Goku in the World Martial Art Tournament, Tien Shinhan is among the strongest warriors in the entire Dragon Ball franchise, rivaling Krillin as the strongest non-Saiyan on Earth, dedicating his life to training alongside his best friend Chiaotzu in the Crane School martial art techniques. Tien remains one of the franchise's most formidable fighters going into the Dragon Ball Super. And while Tien has been prominent staple among the Z fighters for decades, one of the big mysteries surrounding the character is why exactly he has 3 eyes. One of the Tien's most noticeable physical feature is the third eye in the middle of his forehead. This extra facial feature allows Tien to more expertly track fast movements and see through illusions like after image technique. Tien can also use his third eye offensively, able to project an explosive energy blast from it. Perhaps most interestingly, most characters in the Dragon Ball would rarely call attention to Tien's third eye, as just another seemingly common sight in the society full of anthropomorphic animals and other bizarre creatures. What makes this all more interesting is that Tien is one and only character in canon that has been seen with a third eye so far. The Daizenshuu, the official guidebook of the Dragon Ball franchise, reveals that Tien is the direct descendants of an ancient clan of being known as Triclops, with Daizenshuu describing them as extraterrestrials who settled on Earth. For franchise creator Akira Toriyama, the inclusion of third eye in Tien's design was a result of more theological influence. In Buddhism, Hinduism and Taoism, the third eye denotes spiritual enlightenment attained for divine serenity and devoted meditation. Toriyama designed Tien with the spiritual outlook in mind, but because of Tien falling under the cruel tutelage of Evil Master Tao, Tien lost his way and many abilities granted by the third eye, though it stayed visible and at least partially functional. This spiritual inspiration would be echoed in 2013 video game Dragon Ball Z: The Legacy of Goku 2, with ancillary material in the game explaining Tien gained his third eye from his dedicated meditation regimen. To date, the only other 3-eyed human seen in Dragon Ball appeared briefly in Dragon Ball Z filler episode set in the afterlife, shortly after Goku arrived in Otherworld after sacrificing his life at the start of the series. The 3-eyed woman is seen at the cafe getting changed, with the Funimation dub of the series going as far as to credit the character as Tien's mother. Though apart from the obvious physical similarities, there is no indication that the two characters are related. Able to slow Cell in the second form of his powerful Tri-Beam attack and play a pivotal role in the Dragon Ball Super's Tournament of Power, Tien remains a mighty warrior, even as his Saiyan counterparts continues to achieve new level of strength. One edge that Tien has is right there on his face, plain as a day, a third eye that boosts his perception and vision naturally, either as a product of alien heritage or intense meditation that makes him one of the sleeper powerhouses of the franchise, capable of standing toe-to-toe with some of the series' strongest opponents. What are your thoughts about Tien's third eye? What do you think, where did he got that third eye from? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.